So next, I'm going to try Takis. I've already had Takis before, but people on YouTube who haven't had Takis before, these are what Takis are. But I'm going to be doing the Fuego kind, the Extreme. And yeah, I don't think I've ever had Extreme before, so that's why I'm kind of taste testing it too. How do you open this bag? Okay, there we go. These are small. That's probably why they're really spicy but small. Let's try it. To be honest with you, they're spicy, but delicious. So, like I said, people on YouTube who haven't had this before, these are delicious. You might need water definitely doesn't help because I've had water before with Takis. Oh man, they are spicy. Spicier than the adobo does. No, I can't pronounce it anymore. I used to pronounce it right, but I can't anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna have one more to see what it actually, in my opinion, these are good. In my opinion, these are delicious. Delicious. So yeah, the spiciness, I'm gonna have to go with 7 out of 10. But the deliciousness, 10 out of 10. I really like it. And yeah, remember to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And yeah, bye.